Hello, everybody. Um, I'm a diabetic. However, I love the sweet things in life, like chocolate and cake and ice cream and cookies and candies, and it's just playing havoc with me. So I started looking online for ways of reducing my blood sugar, and this cottage cheese sort of went everywhere. And one of the things that you can make with cottage cheese is ice cream. So I decided to try. So, very first thing you got to get is cottage cheese, right? So, a tub of cottage cheese. And I watched an endless amount of YouTube videos. So, I tried to glean the best stuff that I could to make ice cream. So, like I said, chocolate, cocoa powder, and then peanut butter, although I would recommend you use powdered peanut butter, but I couldn't get any, so I just used regular peanut butter. If you're going to use regular peanut butter, warm it up and melt it because, man, that thing clogs up the mixer. Then cottage cheese is kind of sour, so they said use a sweetener, so I used monk fruit. I don't know if that's what you should use, but it's what I use to put in my coffee, and I'm okay with it, so no side effects. Then vanilla extract, right? Vanilla extract. And then they said, one of the things to put cloves in it. And I thought, I had to go look for this. I have no idea what cloves. I don't even know what they are, but anyway. And then allspice. Uh, And it said put salt in it, but the cottage cheese kind of salty. And I looked around, I couldn't find where I put the salt. So I got soy sauce. Soy sauce is salty. What can you do? So I blended it all up. I put it in the freezer and got a little bit because frozen solid, eh? And so before I go through the whole process showing you how to put it together, might as well taste it. That has to be the grossest thing I've ever tried in my life. And that is so bad. It makes me want to cut off my nutsack. I mean, seriously. It is this cottage cheese ice cream experiment. It's got to be the worst thing in the world. It's disgusting. Oh, um, I know. However, this is the life of a diabetic, yeah. We get stuck with all this. Now, from the reactions that I've seen from other people that make cottage cheese ice cream on the internet, on YouTube, um, I don't know. I did okay, but this horrible. This horrible. Like I said, it made me want to cut off my nutsack. It's bad. It bad. Well, I'm hoping if anybody has any ideas, please let me know because as a diabetic, it is horrible. I mean, I understand some people carnivore diet and keto this and keto that and all this other stuff. But no. I uh, I I'm not trying to lose weight. I'm not. I just I want something sweet. I want something that's nice that reminds me of what life used to be like before diabetes. I'm not going to show you how to make this guy a complete fail. Complete, utter fail. Here's hoping for better days. Have a good one.